Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of intermittent fasting. This isn't your run-of-the-mill diet, but rather an eating pattern that incorporates regular short-term fasts. Imagine it as a rhythmic dance, a ballet of sorts, between periods of eating and not eating. But why would one willingly choose to fast, you ask? Well, research has shown that intermittent fasting can aid in weight loss, making it a popular choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. But the benefits don't just stop there. This eating pattern can potentially improve health markers like cholesterol and blood sugar levels. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. You get to lose weight while also boosting your overall health. However, as with any lifestyle change, it's important to do it right. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this topic and explore how to intermittent fast for quick weight loss. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content just like this. So, are you ready to embark on this intermittent fasting journey with us? There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting, and we're going to discuss a few of them. Firstly, we have the 16-8 plan, which involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. This method is known for its simplicity and flexibility, making it a favorite among beginners. Next up is the 5-2 diet, where one eats normally for 5 days a week, but restricts calorie intake to around 500 to 600 on the other 2 days. This approach is praised for its balance between fasting and regular eating. Then there's the eat-stop-eat method, which involves a full 24-hour fast once or twice a week. This method might sound extreme, but it can lead to significant weight loss and metabolic improvements. We also have alternate day fasting, which, as the name suggests, involves fasting every other day. This method can be quite challenging, but is also known for its potential to bring about substantial weight loss. Lastly, we have the warrior diet, where one eats small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and one large meal at night. This diet, inspired by ancient warrior societies, is said to improve energy and stimulate fat burning. Remember, before starting any fasting plan, it's essential to consult a doctor. Now, let's delve into how intermittent fasting affects your hormones. When you fast, your body goes into an energy-conserving mode. This metabolic shift influences various hormones that play a role in weight loss. Insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, decreases significantly during fasting. Lower insulin levels facilitate fat burning, promoting weight loss. Next, there's the hunger hormone, ghrelin. While you might think fasting would increase ghrelin levels, studies suggest the opposite. Intermittent fasting may actually help regulate ghrelin, reducing feelings of hunger. Moreover, fasting stimulates the release of human growth hormone, or HGH. This hormone aids in fat loss and muscle gain, contributing to a leaner body composition. However, remember that these hormonal changes may vary from person to person. Factors such as age, gender, body composition, and overall health can influence your hormonal response to fasting. Lastly, it's important to note that fasting can also impact stress hormones like cortisol. While short-term fasting may increase cortisol, leading to a temporary metabolic boost, prolonged periods of fasting could elevate cortisol levels too high, potentially hindering weight loss efforts. It's crucial to be aware of these potential changes, as they can influence your success with an intermittent fasting protocol. So, how can you succeed with an intermittent fasting protocol? Well, the key lies in not just when you eat, but what you eat. While intermittent fasting is not about restricting what you eat, maintaining a balanced diet during your eating periods is crucial. Nourishing your body with wholesome foods, rich in proteins, fibers, and healthy fats, will not only keep you satiated during fasting periods, but also support your overall health and weight loss goals. Take advantage of your eating window to consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Be mindful of portion sizes, and try to avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Remember, fasting does not give you a free pass to overindulge. Equally important is to listen to your body and adjust your fasting protocol if necessary. It's okay to feel a little hungry, but if you're feeling weak, dizzy, or unwell, it's time to reassess. And don't forget to consult a healthcare professional before starting any fasting plan. With these tips, you're well on your way to successfully implementing an intermittent fasting protocol. We've covered a lot today, from what intermittent fasting is to how you can succeed with it. It's clear that intermittent fasting is more than just a trend. It's a scientifically backed method for weight control and improved metabolic health. We've explored popular methods like the 16-8 plan, the 5-2 diet, eat-stop-eat, alternate day fasting, and the warrior diet. Each of these has its own merits and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle and goals. We've also delved into how intermittent fasting interacts with your hormones, potentially impacting your weight loss outcomes. Remember, it's crucial to maintain a balanced diet and consult a doctor before embarking on your fasting journey. But perhaps most importantly, we've discussed how to succeed with an intermittent fasting protocol. It's not about drastic measures, but consistency, listening to your body, and making mindful choices. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Remember, your health and well-being are worth it.